Hi everyone, in this quick video we're going to demonstrate how you can pair your Bluetooth headphones with a Panasonic TV running Fire TV operating system. So all you need to do is press the home button on the remote control, which will bring you on the screen that you're seeing now, and then go all the way to the right into the settings. Here in the settings, please navigate to remotes and Bluetooth devices, and then select other Bluetooth devices. Next, select add Bluetooth devices. In our case, we would like to connect to these wonderful Technics AZ100s. So we're just going to select those. And within a few moments, we have the device connected and ready to be used with the TV. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.